You may be surprised, but salespeople will agree that most of the salespeople change their job because of office politics, then changing their job merely for the salary hike. Success in sales is all about teamwork. What does team mean? It is together everyone achieves more. However, what happens when as a salesperson you feel that it is together everyone annoys me? Few months back, during discussion with one of my close friend, he was discussing about how office politics by his boss is ruining a sales culture in his organization. I am sure we all have experienced such bosses, including myself. Let's discuss in this video how to tackle such situation and give our best to our customers. Hello everyone, I am Shah and welcome to our channel Experience Candles. The first suggestion would be undercommit, over-deliver. Once you know that your team does not have a customer-centric approach, be judicious in your commitment in terms of delivery, performance, price, etc. Remember, office politics may be temporary, but customer will always remember poor execution by you as a salesperson. Second suggestion is record keeping. Keep track of all customers' feedback and loss of business due to poor support from your team. Monthly meeting can be a good opportunity to highlight these points and change the behavior. Third suggestion is find your own way. Build your own personal brand. Have a good relations with your customers. And if you don't see any improvement in the behavior of your team or your boss, it's the time to change your organization or start something on your own. Remember, office politics should not be a deterrent in your career goals. Which are the other ideas you can think of to balance office politics with customers support? Please share your ideas, stories and suggestions in comment section. If you like our content, please subscribe and share in your groups. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.